What's up, guys? So here's why I think we could see a very, very green day tomorrow, which is Monday. It's Sunday evening right now. We have the daily and weekly closes happening in about 45 minutes from the time of filming this video. So yeah, things are already looking nice and green, guys. I'm going to tell you a couple of reasons why I think that next week or tomorrow, next week could be a very, very green week. I know a lot of people are calling for red and blood in the streets, but I'm going to show you the other side of it and the potential that we could see a very green week up ahead, right? You decide at the end what you think for yourself. But here we go, guys. So Bitcoin already recovering back up to 65.3. The whole market is looking good. Altcoins recovering nicely. $1.29 trillion market cap, 49.97 billion in trading volume. All right, guys. So let's get into the reasons why. Okay. So first, we're going to have a look over here. And we got. First, we're going to look at this. Let's go over this article first. High swings predicted for cryptocurrency markets. The cryptocurrency sector is bracing for a turbulent period. Recent developments disclosed just hours ago suggest a spike in market volatility. This uncertainty is further exacerbated by intensifying geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, which are stirring investors' anxieties. The focus now shifts to the anticipated performance of Bitcoin and the potential movements of altcoins, as forecasted by noted cryptocurrency analyst Michael Pape. Anyway, Bitcoin's valuation saw a dip of 60,600 before experiencing a modest recovery, settling around 64, which is now 65. Despite this comeback, altcoins have sustained losses over 10%. Michael Pape, a recognized figure in cryptocurrency analysis, interprets the ongoing dip as an opportunity for investors to purchase altcoins. He shared his insights with the caveat that no one can foresee the future with absolute certainty. Bitcoin has witnessed prolonged fluctuations, trading between 60,000 and a high of 73,777, despite a fall below the 50-day simple moving average. On April 13th, BTC managed to recover after momentarily slipping below 60,700 support level. However, it's facing the threat of a significant drop if it continues to close below the 20-day exponential moving average. On the upside, surpassing this level could pave the way to retest record highs. Within the downward trajectory, the 20-day EMA and the RSI in the negative zone, the current market trend suggests that sellers might currently have the upper hand. Should a deeper correction occur, Bitcoin could potentially test the 54,200 level corresponding with the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. Conversely, if there's a bullish shift, Bitcoin's price might oscillate within the mentioned trading range, with the possibility of soaring past 73,777 and even testing 80,000 to 84,000 mark during the halving period. At the time of reporting, Bitcoin is trading at 64.2, while analysts keep a close eye on the spot Bitcoin ETF after the U.S. market opening. So, guys, potential to go both ways. That's what she said, okay? But listen, I'm going to give you the case for why it could go very, very green tomorrow. Very, very green tomorrow, the whole market, okay? Now, it's not a guarantee. Nothing's written in stone. So if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'm human, right? We're all human. But this is where I think it could go, okay? Again, we have the Hong Kong ETFs for Bitcoin and Ethereum likely being announced tomorrow, which is Monday, right? Make no mistake about it, guys. This is going to create FOMO in the markets on the higher levels, right? And I'm talking about BlackRock, Fidelity, and so on, because the reserves on exchanges are starting to run low for Bitcoin, right? There's even whispers last week of these of companies like BlackRock and Fidelity and ARK Invest contacting the miners directly to purchase Bitcoin because the reserves are running low on exchanges. That being said, you guys, You compound that with Hong Kong passing their spot Bitcoin ETF. Germany just passed theirs last week. London is set to pass theirs. Korea is set to pass theirs. You're going to start to see these companies in a big race to buy up as much Bitcoin as they can before there is none left to buy, right? So in saying that, once that announcement kicks in tomorrow, I think that's going to kick things off, along with the Ethereum spot Ethereum ETF. Sorry, you're going to start to see Ethereum run, in my opinion, and the altcoins as well. Because what happens if Ethereum gets approved there? Well, then we start to hear the other content creators talk about, an XRP spot ETF, right? A whatever, Cardano, whatever, JASMY, so on and so forth, right? You start to get all of these content creators coming out of the woodwork, pushing out videos talking about an ETF for their favorite project, right? Which is going to also intensify FOMO, right? So in saying that, altcoins will start to run, in my opinion, as well. Now, what else, you might ask? Well, have a look at this, guys. And I've been keeping an eye on this and telling you guys this. Here we have the dollar, the DXY, right? It's pumped like crazy, which is one of the reasons the market's been falling. Well, here we are in a fresh candle. And I said we have a double top here, guys. I've been showing you guys this double top. As you can see right here, we've topped out right here. We have a double top, a very bearish pattern. And the very next candle is started a red one, right? So if we see the DXY crash tomorrow, right? If we see this candle drop down below here and eat up this one, right? We're going to see Bitcoin and the risk on assets are all going to start to climb. Again, there's whispers of peace talks in the Middle East today. If they announce peace talks or potential peace talks tomorrow as well, that's also going to add to the positivity sentiment in the markets, right? So you combine all of these things together, guys, spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF announcements, FOMO kicking in on Bitcoin and the alts. You combine that with the DXY crashing as well. The only thing that can put a hair in the soup at this point in time, guys, is if Grayscale steps in and dumps another $300 million worth of shares on the market tomorrow morning. So that is the caveat. Hopefully they do not do it. Knock on wood, right? That they don't. But this is why I think that we could see Bitcoin and the altcoins start to really, really rally this coming week. We'll have to stay on top of it. Hopefully, again, it's a moving target. Hopefully Grayscale doesn't screw us, but we'll have to see, right? Hit the like button, guys. Hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you guys think about my analysis of the potential for next week. Click the join button to become a member of the channel. Get the members-only live streams on Sundays. Get help with your portfolio, help with your exit strategies and profit taking. Follow me on X. Join the Discord. We also have one-on-one coaching sessions available if you'd like to get in on one of those. Again, click the like, click the subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.